Over the last several months, we're starting to see some changes in the real estate market here in Portland. See inventory starting to edge up. Homes are staying on the market a little bit longer than they have in the past. In today's Tom's Take, I'm going to break out the crystal ball. Actually, I'm going to break out the experts' crystal ball and see what they're predicting for the balance of 2023. So here's what several experts are talking about for the home prices for the balance of 2023. And you can see there's some disagreement here. Anywhere from some slight price decreases from National Association of Realtors and Realtor.com to what looks like a fairly bold prediction from Fannie Mae. But actually, I took a look at what's really behind those Fannie Mae numbers with what we've seen in Portland. I think there's some validity to it. It'll be interesting to see where it heads. But here's what I've seen so far. In the first 6 months of the year, home prices have, on average in Portland, gone up 2.6% per month, not for the 6 month period, but per month. So if we take just a small amount of that, if they were to go up 1% a month over the next several months, we could easily hit that 4% number. Mortgage rates, they've been sticking around 7%. I think that's really kind of been the linchpin of what's been slowing this market down right now. Like I said, it's been hanging about 7, but I think we got pretty decent agreement here that we should start to see some reduction in mortgage rates as we get further on into the year and the balance of the year. Probably mid to high sixes in Q3 and closer to 6% by the end of the year, especially as the Fed starts to get inflation under control and the market has confidence that the Fed has it under control and won't be making more additional changes. So let's talk about that inflation right now. I don't think this is news to anyone, but you can see we topped out at almost 9% in 2022. We're down to about 3.1% in June of this year, which has obviously made some great strides, but we're still above that 2% target rate. And the Fed has indicated they may make one more change to the federal funds rate, which may or may not impact mortgage rates. Sales volume for the balance of the year still looking to be relatively strong overall. You can see everyone's agreeing pretty much on this is national numbers here, just around 5 million homes selling between now and the end of the year. What we've been seeing in Portland is that inventory has been starting to edge up. It was 2 months worth of inventory in June. We were at 2.4 months worth of inventory in July. That's some of the higher inventory we've seen over the last several years, but also keep in mind that a balanced market is more around 4 to 6 months worth of inventory. So we're still not in that range. What I am seeing though is pockets, different neighborhoods have more or less inventory than others. Beaverton, for example, has historically been low. It's still low at about 1.2 months worth of inventory. We're just a little bit further east as we get into Portland proper, West Portland proper. It's at 4.8 months worth of inventory, which is the highest what we're seeing in the Portland metro area right now. So it's going to depend on where you're looking about what inventory is and kind of what some of those pressures are in the marketplace. But keep in mind, what we are seeing too is well-priced homes that are desirable are still selling fast and oftentimes with multiple offers. Have questions about maybe your home, your neighborhood, the market in general? I'd love to talk to you about it. Give me a call at the phone number listed here or shoot me an email at askgilegroup@gilegroup.com. We'd love to hear from you.